Adele is trending on the arrival of a live concert DVD. The soulful British singer, the first artist to have spent 11 weeks at #1 on the UK album chart, is offering a 30-minute sneak preview on Vevo of Adele live at Royal Albert Hall, a performance recorded earlier this year. The 90-minute concert includes performances of her two biggest hits, Rolling in the Deep and Someone Like You, as well as behind-the-scenes footage. The 23-year-old singer-songwriter recently underwent laser microsurgery for a vocal cord hemorrhage, and she was forced to cancel the remainder of her tour. Until her return to the live stage, Adele fans can at least enjoy her on DVD and Blu-ray, which hit stores this week.